Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when wired microphone is not working on Dell laptop. So if your Dell computer has Waves Max Audio running and when you connect your wired microphone to 3.5mm jack port on your Dell computer, and if it is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to open Waves Max Audio. So go ahead and type in Waves Max Audio in Windows search and open Waves Max Audio. Then go to playback, click on it, and then here you can see advanced option. So click on this down arrow, and here you can see the option which says show pop-up dialog when device is connected. So make sure this one is checked over here. So if this is unchecked, you go ahead and check it, and also make sure that you go ahead and select headset. So if headphone is selected, you can go ahead and select headset, and then you can go ahead and check your microphone. But still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and switch back to headphones. So first try headset and then try headphones and then check your microphone. Now when you connect your microphone, you might also receive a pop-up. I'll show you. So here you can see there is a pop-up where you can go ahead and select headphones and headset. So you can also make changes from here. Either you can go ahead and select headphones from here. I have not selected right now, so you can go ahead and select from here also and click on OK, and then you can go ahead and select headset and headphones and check which one is working for you. Now the next step is to make sure that the Waves Max Audio Service and Realtek HD Audio Manager is enabled in Startup Service. So make a right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Then go to Startups tab on the top and go ahead and find Realtek HD Audio Manager. So here you can see it, it's enabled. So if this is not enabled, select it and go ahead and enable it. So if this is disabled like this, then make a right click, then click on enable, and also make sure the Waves Max Audio Service is also running. So make sure this is enabled. So if this is disabled, you can go ahead and enable it. Make a right click and then click on enable, and also make sure the HD audio background is also enabled. So over here it's disabled, so I can go ahead and enable it. So make sure these three services are running in startup. Also make sure that it's running in system configuration. So you can go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on option which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here and then scroll down and find Realtek Audio Service. So put a check on Realtek Audio Service. If this is not checked, go ahead and check it, and also find Waves Audio Service. Make sure this is checked and then click on apply. If this is not checked, then click on apply and then click on OK, and then restart your computer. After the restart, you can go ahead and check your microphone. If it's not working, then go ahead and make sure that the Max Audio Service and the HD service is running in services. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search and then make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator and then find Waves Max Audio. So here you can see Waves Audio Service. So make a double click on Waves Audio Service and then make sure the startup type is set to automatic. and if this is highlighted, if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK, and also find Realtek audio service, make a double click, then make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on start. If this is highlighted, then click on apply and OK. And once everything is enabled, go ahead and restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check your microphone. Now still it's not working, then go ahead and install audio driver from device manager. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager, then go to sound, video and game controller, expand this, and then select your Realtek. So you might see Realtek over here, or you might see high definition audio device. So just make a right click and then click on update driver, then click on browse my computers for driver software, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then go ahead and select Realtek audio, and then click on next. And after this it will go ahead and install the Realtek audio, and then go ahead and restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check your microphone. So one of the steps should help you to get your wired microphone working on your Dell laptop which has Waves Max audio running. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.